Are you planning to purchase a new home and wonder how to get started? You've come to the right place. I'm Janessa with the Haltom Real Estate Group in Jackson, Tennessee, and today I'm going to share with you the first 3 steps when purchasing your new home. Step 1, get your finances in order. Having a pre-approval or proof of funds, if you're buying in cash, is the first step in purchasing a home for any and everybody. Otherwise, you could miss out on the perfect home. If you're using cash, you'll just need to give your bank a call for proof of funds. For a pre-approval letter, you'll need to talk to a mortgage lender. Most lenders recommend not buying a house that costs over 3 to 5 times your annual household income. Your mortgage lender will help you determine how much you can afford. Step 2, start the search. Once you've got your finances in order, the fun of looking for the perfect home begins. Our team will set you up on an automatic search through the Multiple Listing Service, which we call the MLS. This is the database that realtors use to list and search for homes. The benefit of these auto searches is that the moment a home that fits your criteria is listed for sale, it will be sent straight to your email inbox. The auto search responds much faster than Zillow or other websites, so this is a huge advantage. Something to consider is, what are your must-haves and what's negotiable? Figuring this out ahead of time will help everyone be on the same page with what you're looking for and what the deal breakers are, to be able to act quickly and confidently when the perfect home hits the market and save a ton of time and emotional energy. Here are some must-haves to keep in mind that you will not be able to change. Number 1, location. That 5-digit zip code ain't gonna budge. Number 2, the lot. That steep drop-off will always be, well, steep. And 3, price. That mortgage payment is your new best friend. While the like-to-haves shine and sparkle, it's the must-haves that help us find you the home of your dreams. Once you receive emails through the MLS, you'll have access to a portal where you can mark home as a favorite, a possibility, or discard. This will help you to stay organized online and to notify us which listings are your favorites and the least favorites. Once you see a home you like online, you will let your agent know so that they can set up a showing for you. Oftentimes, we will set up a few showings back to back so that we can knock them out at once. And last but not least, make an offer. So you found the one and it's time to call up the sellers and tell them you want it. Here's some information needed to write up your offer. Pre-qualification letter or proof of funds. You've already got this ready to go, of course. That was step 1. Offer price. Your agent will be able to help you to determine the property's fair market value. Earnest money deposit. This depends on your area and the purchase price. Financing amount. What percentage of the loan are you financing and how much are you putting down? Closing date. If getting a mortgage, this is typically 30 to 45 days from acceptance of the offer. This will be the day the keys are handed from seller to buyer. Inspection period. Typically, the buyer shall have 10 to 15 days, unless otherwise stated on the contract, to perform inspections on the home and to either terminate or renegotiate the contract if the inspection comes back unacceptable. Wow, that was a lot of information. Now you're ready to take the first steps to purchasing a new home. So call the Haltom Home Team and let's get started.